guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom grill we just had done for a customer. These are two caps with the front bar. It is solid 925 sterling silver, handmade. Here's the back side. So you got the two caps right there on the canines and the front bar. Right. Now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This one here is a bottom piece, but you can do also a top piece, or you can do the full set, top and bottom. That's up to you. Beautiful handmade work, quality. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. There it is. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.